Hello all, my name is Kayomars. So let's continue with the second part of this tutorial, modeling, texturing and lighting an interior in 3ds Max using Vray. So let's get started. So here we go. So now we want to create this piano. For this we can use a line tool over here. So let's take a line tool like this. So you can initiate it using this tool. Close it. So now you can shift this a bit up and push this a little back. So as you created this using a line tool, you can adjust this. Select this and there is an option over here called fillet. So let's use a bit of fillet. So now there is one modifier over here called extrude. So let's use this modifier over here. So you can utilize this modifier in this way. You can go onto this, use a vertex and shift this up like this, and you can make it a bit more straight. So you can use this extrude modifier. You can go into this vertex and shift this a bit in the outside part. Use this, activate this extrude modifier and keep it a bit straight. So now the next step over here is we have created this using a line tool. Right click, convert to editable poly, and you can put some loops over here and here. So you can extrude a bit up. So if you want to extrude this a bit up, so you can extrude this. Select this polygons. And extrude it. So extrude it in local normal, or you can use it by polygon. So you can use it in a local normal a bit and click OK. That's it. Says you have extruded this a bit over here. So you can select this vertices like this, shift this. So now you can go over here, take a box over here, for this piano, for the support. So convert to editable poly. Resize it, and you can use a bit of a swift loop over here. Use this vertices and push this down. Again select this, or you can use one more loop over here and here and push this more down and give bevel. So bevel, you can push it in this way. That's it. So same thing, you can make a copy of it on the other side of it and push this inside. Select this again and make one more copy of it over here. So now you can select this area and you can inset a bit. You can use a bit of swift loop over here. Select this polygon and you can just bevel it inside. Okay. So now go into this side view. Into the side view you can use a box over here. You can take a box from here and you can push this up and you can rotate this on top of it. And increase the height here like this, and you can define a shape. If you want to define a shape, you can just convert this to editable poly. And you can define a shape or something. It's set straight, so no problem, you can just keep it straight. And you can use a line tool over here for the support you see over here, right? You can go into this, enable in viewport and make it rectangle, convert to editable poly and resize it. And reduce the size if you want of this objects. So now over here you can put one more loop. So you can utilize it. And extrude this up. Can push it a bit back. And use a swift loop over here, here, and here. So you can just shift this a bit up if you want, or you can select this both and shift this a bit down. So now you can make the keys over here right from the top view. So you can utilize the keys over here. So you can use the keys in this way and increase. Use it. So you can keep a gap between these keys, and you can make n number of copies. Again, select this and delete it. So you can make one more copy of it. You can make one more copy of it from here. So make the copy from here onto the top. And resize it. As you need to resize it, so you can resize this. So you can make 2 copies again. Just go on making this copies. Okay, so now just duplicate this copies over here. So just duplicate this. That's it. So you can just save your file once. Okay. So now you can make a stool over here. Very simple. So you can just take a box over here. You can just take a box, resize the box over here, and scale a bit more, convert to editable poly. So you just select this polygon and inset a bit and click OK. So now what you can do is you can insert this loops right from the top view, or you can select this and give to connect. Shift this over here and one over here. Okay. So now select this, select all of this and give a bevel option. I'm sorry, we can just extrude this first. Let's extrude this first a bit. Okay, so now select all these polygons and give a bevel option. Okay, so let's unisolate it. So and isolate this particular selection. Select this all, push this over here, and let's resize this part and push this piano over here. So as you have to make sure you are getting it into matching the reference, so you can rotate a bit more, push this over here. Okay, so in the table, the setting, we call it as a piano stool. So let's scale down this stool over here and push this over here. You can utilize the top view also. If you want, you can utilize the top view. You can use this local option and push this over here. So I can see, so we have done this part. So save this file. So let's save as it. So that would be much better. So let's save it in the second part. Okay, so thanks for watching this tutorial. We'll continue in the next part.